So this video is to show how to replace the seal on a VVL unit on a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. What you're looking at right here is the VVL unit, also known as the oil control unit. And I just blew compressed air across it to clean it all off, but you could see that it was weeping some oil all around it, and I decided I would get a new seal and replace the seal. To do this, you don't need to do anything except remove the connector, remove the 10mm bolt, pull out the VVL unit, and then pop up the seal. You don't have to take off the oil, the valve cover, or anything like that. But you do have to, of course, get the intake manifold off to even see this thing. So the seal for this unit, here is the correct number for that seal on the VVL, the oil control unit, or the variable valve lifter it's called. And it looks like this. I'll take it out of the bag. So it looks like this. This the ridged section goes down into the valve cover, then the VVL unit goes right through this. So basically we just have to undo the electrical connector, undo the 10mm bolt, pull the VVL out of here, and then pop this old one out and push this one down into that space. You have to push that white tab that way forward, and then press down and take the connector off. So basically when I push down, you see that little tab go up, and that tab has to clear that little tit that's here on the VVT. So basically what I had to do is push down, lift that thing up, and clear that little thing. If you're having trouble, you could always get a little assistance if you wanted to put a pick in. You could put a pick in from this side and lift that little flap up, and it would help you clear that little tab. Okay. All right, so we're going to take that 10mm bolt. So I'm going to carefully just put a little pressure with this little. Here we go, look. All right, and we're going to take that right out. And there it is. Okay, so you got to make sure that you don't score the valve cover where this seal goes in. So I'm just prying on the outside lip of and there it is. It's done, gone. And you can see it popped right up. The ridges go down. That little seal here goes on top. So all I'm going to do now is clean this hole. Still dirty. Okay, that's about as clean as I can make it. So next, we're going to take the brand new seal. Got the new seal. We're going to oil up down at the bottom where all these ridges are, and then press it into that hole. You can press it with your fingers, and then I used this little pry to just push down on the edges of the seal on the other side. So we'll see how that works out. On this bottom edge, so it slips in. So I'm going to take the new seal, those ridges down and just go around. Oh, okay, so I actually was able to push that all the way down just by hand. Yeah. And on the inside, I can feel that the seal is bottomed out on that shoulder. So that's actually all you need. Put some oil around here. And then we're going to reinsert the variable valve lifter. Yes, we put it right in. Push it right down. And then we reinsert the 10mm bolt. And we will torque this bolt to 7 foot-pounds according to my internet sources. I mean, I found people on the internet talking about doing this, but no one showed how to pop the seal out and put it back in. Probably because it's so simple. But again, if you're like me, if you can see it and be sure that you're not going to do something bad, it's worthwhile making a video of it. So that's why I'm going to post this video. So I'm going to tighten that to 7 foot-pounds, reconnect the connector, and we're done. Okay, here we go. That's 7. Then we reconnect this. Pushed it back on, and then for good measure, push that forward so it locks in. And that's it. That's how you replace the seal for your VVL variable valve lifter or oil control solenoid, whichever you'd like to call it. But now, for all eternity, it's in video, and that's how you do it. So good luck with your Jeep or GMC or whatever you happen to have this on. This happens to be, again, 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a 3.6 V6 engine. Okay, so good luck with all your projects.